Na tokratnem sektorskem omizju bomo govorili o priložnostih poslovanja z indijsko industrijo informacijske tehnologije. Vemo, da so tam močni igralci na trgu v smislu Tata Services in tako naprej, tako da danes bo predstavljen ta segment.
India was a late rival in the IT market, but it has traveled a long way very quite quickly. And today we have an industry that is worth $118 billion a year. And the results of the last quarter of the bigger IT companies of India like Wipro and Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services has shown a growth rate averaging around 30%, sometimes even more. So that is a sunrise industry in which we offer the possibility of streamlining and reorganizing management as well as industrial processes, and to offer to Slovenia the possibility of additional activity, partnerships and synergies both in the services sector as well as in the industrial and manufacturing sector.